In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to LinkedIn ads. Before we jump in, a quick note about how LinkedIn billing works. Unlike some ad platforms, LinkedIn doesn't use a prepaid wallet where you load money in advance. Instead, it uses automatic billing. That means you set up a payment method, run your campaigns, and LinkedIn charges your card or payment method as costs accrue or at your billing threshold. So when we say add funds, what we're really doing is setting up or updating your payment details. You'll need billing admin access on the ad account to complete this. Start by opening your browser and searching for LinkedIn ads. This will lead you to LinkedIn's Campaign Manager, which is where all billing and account settings live. When the results appear, click the official LinkedIn link. Make sure you're on a legitimate LinkedIn domain and that your connection is secure. Next, sign into your LinkedIn account. Use the account associated with your advertising access. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that verification. Once you're signed in, you'll land in Campaign Manager or be prompted to open it. From here, select the ad account you want to manage. If you work with multiple accounts, check the account name and associated organization so you're updating the right one. If you don't see the account, you may need to request access or confirm that you have billing admin permissions. With the correct account open, look to the left-hand menu and choose Account Settings, then select Billing. This will take you to LinkedIn's billing area, where you can manage payment methods, view invoices, and see your billing threshold. If you see multiple tabs, head to the Billing Setup tab. Now click Add Payment Details if you're setting this up for the first time, or Update Credit Card if you're replacing an existing method. Enter your card or payment information carefully, making sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file. Small typos in the address or postal code can cause verification issues. Follow the on-screen prompts to review and confirm. You may notice a temporary authorization on your statement as LinkedIn validates the card. This typically clears automatically. When you finish, save your changes. That's it. Your payment method is now in place, and LinkedIn will automatically charge it as your campaigns spend. You can return to the billing section anytime to update details, add a backup card if available, or download invoices and receipts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your LinkedIn ads billing set up with confidence.